I'm here at the 11th Annual Irish Film and Television Awards. The red carpet is rolled out and all the stars are set to arrive very shortly. So, Fionnuala, you're up for an award tonight. Are you a little bit excited?
I'm very nervous. I don't think I'm going to win, but because there are wonderful performances in the same category. And however, it's always lovely to be nominated. To be nominated by your peers at home is just delicious.
And be honest, is Chris O'Dowd the massive diva that we all expect him to be?
Oh, jeez. Don't even get me started on.
Terrible. I mean,
God.
the verbal and emotional abuse is just.
And he's always making fun of Leitrim, and I just.
And Mayo as well. It's terrible.
Yeah, he's awful. He's really awful. He can't get hired anywhere. That's why he's on Broadway now and not here.
Last year as well, Love Hate obviously cleaned up. So are you feeling a little bit confident this time around?
Well, it was amazing last year, and it still is, but we're a little bit more relaxed. And if we win, we win. It's a bonus. It's a reunion for us. We work hard.
So obviously tonight must be massive for you because the movie, it's so Irish and you're here celebrating it in Ireland.
Yes, we are.
It's very important that we've at the end of award season to come back to Ireland, which is where the story started, and sort of bring the film home, if you like. Philomena's story, we're hoping that story isn't the end of the story for a lot of other people. We're hoping that the Irish government will listen and open up the archives to other mothers and their children who are trying to find each other.
So Liam, you brought your mother tonight.
Yep, absolutely. Best date in the world.
Game of Thrones has taken the world by storm. Is this sort of surprising and shocking to you at all?
It's got ridiculous. I've just come from Paris and Milan, and in Paris they did a cinema release. There was 2,700 people at it. It's bananas.
What a year it's been. This time last year you were pregnant.
I know.
A little bit easier to decide what to wear tonight.
Yeah, exactly. I think last year was like black, and yeah, I had Sadie about 8 hours later.
So you now tell me about the moustache.
Oh yeah, not a personal choice really, not an aesthetic choice. For working on a film now in County Kerry, in the Kingdom of Kerry, so that's what this monstrosity is on my upper lip.
And is it going to be a bit of a light one tonight?
For me? No, I don't want to turn into a pumpkin. No, I'll be home for you, yeah.
For the role like 12 Years a Slave, is that incredibly emotionally draining as well as physically?
It's just really the focus and responsibility at the time. You don't really think about those things, and you just want to make sure that I did Solomon's story justice.
And because you're so huge now all over the world, you're so huge, you can't have your choice of scripts really at times. And how come you decided to do Frank?
Because it's a great script, great director, and I'd seen The Garage. I hadn't seen what Richard did at that point, but I just loved what Lenny did with The Garage, and Pat Short was sublime, and it's just such a beautiful film. And I read the script and it made me laugh out loud, and I thought it was unusual, and I thought, yeah, this is a no-brainer.